Bitcoin slips below $65,000 amid stronger dollar, but analyst says the pullback is over. UN adopts first global artificial intelligence resolution. Judge greenlights class suit alleging Silvergate Bank aided FTX fraud. ARK sells $52 million of Coinbase shares as stock price breaks above $270. iOS network partners with Alibaba Cloud to boost AI storage and streaming services. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets have succumbed to the pressure from the strong US dollar, which has managed to reverse entire previous day losses after the Swiss National Bank, in a surprise move, cut interest rates by 25 basis points. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, dropped below $66,000 level. Shubham Joshi joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.5% at 85,000 points. A stronger dollar lowers the investment appeals of other assets. The Swiss bank's decision is expected to spark a similar move from other central banks. As a result, cryptocurrencies suffered losses in the past 24 hours, led by Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, market analytics firm Swissblock said that the Bitcoin completed its pullback before Wednesday's bounce, reaching almost their target price of $58,000 to $59,000 when they called for an imminent cool-off phase last week. Interestingly, the BlackRock iShares Bitcoin ETF has surpassed MicroStrategy's holdings in less than 2 months, indicating a shift in institutional Bitcoin investment dynamics. The BlackRock iShares Bitcoin ETF now holds approximately 39,000 Bitcoins, exceeding MicroStrategy's holdings. Well, in other news, brokerage firm Bernstein has raised its year-end Bitcoin price forecast to $90,000 from $80,000 and updated the estimates for the mining stocks. However, the global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.52 trillion mark, decreasing 1% in the last 24 hours. However, the trading volume decreased by 28% to $110 billion. OKX, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, has announced its termination of services in India due to regulatory pressures and increased scrutiny from Indian government agencies. The FIU has been cracking down on other cryptocurrency exchanges operating illegally in India. Elsewhere, payment network XRP, decentralized data storage platform FIL, and ICP advanced, while native tokens of layer 1 networks Solana, AVAX, and Aptos declined. Talking about US stock futures, they traded higher after all three major averages registered new record closes. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose by 0.06%, S&P Futures 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures both gained 0.1% respectively. Talking about largest cryptocurrency Bitcoin, it was trading at $65,780, down 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.3%, trading at $3,475. Talking about other altcoins, Solana Sol was down 6% and was trading at $177. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.1% to trade at $0.63. Polkadot was down by 1.6% to trade at $9.3. However, BNB was up by 5.7% to trade at $585. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $55.6, higher 1.6%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1% to trade at $1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4.8% at $0.15. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.2%. Last on the list, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.63, up by 3.5%.
Thank you, Shubham, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The United Nations General Assembly has endorsed a resolution concerning artificial intelligence. The resolution represents the most recent effort among various government initiatives worldwide aimed at influencing the development of AI. The resolution, initiated by the United States and backed by 123 countries, including China, was unanimously adopted on March 2nd, signifying widespread support across all 193 UN member nations. The resolution encourages countries to safeguard human rights, protect personal data, and monitor AI for risk. Unlike Security Council resolutions, those from the UN General Assembly are not legally binding, serving instead as indicators of global sentiment. The resolution seeks to bridge the digital gap between affluent nations and less affluent developing ones, ensuring their inclusion in AI discussions. Silvergate Bank must face a class action lawsuit from FTX users who claim the now defunct bank aided fraud at the exchange and its connected trading firm Alameda Research. In a March 20th order, San Diego Federal Court Judge Ruth Bermudez Montenegro denied Silvergate's June dismissal motion, finding the class group adequately alleged Silvergate knew of FTX's fraud but benefited from it and unjustly enriched itself at the expense of FTX users, allegations the bank denies. The court found Silvergate owned a duty of care to FTX customers as its Silvergate exchange network created to help move funds to crypto exchanges was largely for the benefit of FTX customers and that a crypto exchange like FTX was virtually impossible before the SEN. Silvergate banked both FTX and Alameda and processed transfers and accepted deposits that sent FTX customers money to Alameda, the judge wrote. FTX did not initially have a bank account, so customers were directed to wire money to Alameda's account. The order claims Silvergate's annual income before FTX was $7.6 million, jumping to $75.5 million after it banked the exchange. The judge's green light came over a year after the lawsuits were filed in February 2023. 3 separate class actions against Silvergate were combined in April. ARK Invest, one of the 10 issuers of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States, is taking profits from its Coinbase stash as the stock price rises above $270. On March 21st, ARK sold 199,526 Coinbase shares from its ETFs according to a trade notification. The Cathy Wood-founded investment firm dumped 133,533 shares from the ARK Innovation ETF, worth around $35 million based on Coinbase's closing price of $262 on March 21st, according to data from TradingView. ARK also offloaded an additional 59,215 shares from the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF and 6,778 shares from the ARK FinTech Innovation ETF. The entire sale is worth $52.3 million at the March 21 closing price. The sale came as Coinbase stock continued to see stable growth, surging above $270 for the first time since December 2021. According to TradingView, Coinbase stock briefly topped $276 on March 21st. Decentralized Infrastructure Network (IO's network) has become the leading blockchain partner in Alibaba Cloud's Innovation Accelerator initiative, according to a blog post. IO's native token is currently trading at 90 cents, having remained stable after the blog post was published. It is up by more than 200% in the past 30 days, according to CoinMarketCap. The two companies will also establish a deepened alliance in Southeast Asia. Singapore-based IO's network will use Alibaba Cloud's cloud services to expand its ecosystem as well as improve Web3 AI, storage and streaming infrastructure. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ripple. The Ripple market has been a concern due to heavy whale trading, with the coin's price rising just before peak hype. Borough Finance raised over $3 million in funding, focusing on Ripple economy and large holders' actions. Recently, Ripple whales transferred $8 million XRP coins, causing record hype. Analysts and critics see this transfer as either hype momentum or legitimate development, possibly due to on-profit schemes and investment decisions. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The crypto market has rebounded after a recent price crash, with Shiba Inu gaining positive momentum. Key price indicators have turned bullish, and SHIB burn data shows a 260% increase in the burn rate in the last 24 hours. Over 31 million tokens have been burned, resulting in a 7.6% price rebound and a 7% increase in market capitalization. Analysts believe the token burning mechanism is essential for the SHIB ecosystem's resilience. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin has seen an 18% increase following Coinbase's filing on March 7th, which revealed plans to offer futures for Doge, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash as early as April 1st. Coinbase, known for its strict listing criteria and regulatory compliance, believes Doge is beyond a joke token in current investing climate. The exchange plans to launch cash-settled futures contract products for Doge, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash on April 1st, with Coinbase derivatives allowing futures contracts to be listed before official approval from the CFTC. Next on the list, we have Avalanche. Avalanche, a smart contracts platform, is partnering with Chinese payments giant Alipay to launch a Web3-enabled voucher program. Users who obtain vouchers through a branded minigame will receive discounts up to 50% on milk teas from 10 popular brands at over 500 shops in Southeast Asia. The program is a part of two-part of proof of concept powered by Avalanche's subnet managed by AvaCloud. The second phase will expand to over 100 million users in Southeast Asian countries. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana cryptocurrency exchange has seen a surge in new meme coins like Dog and Boom, with market capitalizations over $1 billion. The Solana chain, which received nearly 50% traffic, experienced a massive rise in TVL and volume, reaching over $3 billion within a few days. This has led to the Solana price reaching a new yearly highs about $210 despite bearish market conditions. The current trade setup suggests significant bullish support and possibility of forming a new ATH. Analysts believe.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Murj Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.